Alright guys, we're playing Demolition on Terminal. I will be using the Scar H, and it was in 1994 with another video to you guys. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Give me any tips, tricks, or helps what I can do better, or what not to do. Thanks guys.
Demolition. Destroy the objective.
Alright guys, yeah. I'll rush down this tunnel here. I know, one guy doesn't have a heartbeat sensor on, and of course he's gonna stay there like an idiot. Which you not want to do most times, because some people will figure out after a while to move. And I bet you that guy's gonna stay there and not move from that camping spot like normal. And when I was in, and I got claymored. And that guy is still there, by the way, guys. Like an idiot. Well, I'm gonna let him go in. He's dead. And that guy is still in that corner. I'm doing kind of good right now. Like I said, I'm not used to this map, not sure what to do, guys. But I'm not just making excuses, that's why I asked you guys for it. If he missed. So you're gonna try to knife me? He missed. That's horrible. That was bad of me. I don't know why I came up there with blocks to try to spray and pray. It doesn't work sometimes. But other times it does. I'm gonna chill back here for a little bit and see what these guys do. I don't know what the hell he was doing. I'm gonna come on this side. Nah, my team go there. I'm gonna stay actually in this middle. Let's see what these guys do, because they are. Stunned and got him. Some of these guys aren't this great at this game. And yep, they came behind us and spawn. Oh, I love when people do that. Oh man. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm not playing wonderful. Idiots. He just walked out there like a moron, didn't even check both sides. I'm gonna wait for these guys, see what they do. They're gonna come through here. They're right at the door. That's my heart. There's one guy on top of there, guys. I'm gonna try to see if I can see him. I'm gonna take a different route. I'm gonna try to come up from behind you guys, see if I can flank him and let that guy walk right by me. And then there was the guy laying down in the corner. Oh, don't you love that when you just get raped out of somebody so bad because they're just sitting there, camping there. I know you're defending and all, but come on, man. At least run around a little bit. That guy's still like an idiot. Sorry, guys. My phone's going off and I'm going crazy. Oh yeah, I just got raped. I'm gonna try to go around where none of my teammates are, and there's gonna be a guy coming through there. I'm gonna pop a couple more just in case. I'm dead. Snipe that out over there. And he did see me.
Enemy care package incoming.
Unfortunately, didn't think he would, but he didn't. Alright, I'm just gonna rush up in here, see what.
Heads up, enemy UAV spotted.
Oh wow. Hey guys, like I said, I'm not that great at this map, but probably shouldn't just make any excuses, but I don't know how I missed that one. I'm supposed to be playing it anyway, but I guess my teammates were playing it, so didn't quite. How the hell did they defuse that? And we lost. Alright guys, round number 2. We're at 7 minutes here. I will be ending this video in probably 2 to 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes, and then we'll be starting up another video. Just because the whole thing with YouTube and you can't have, I don't know. But anyway, a good thing is smoke it up here so you don't get seen. Well, it depends where you're running to, and I'm running to this hallway. There's a guy laying down there. Like I said, if you got a heartbeat sensor, just walk across like the hallway that you're going to. So I'm gonna chill back, because there is 2 guys in this library. One. Is he laying down still? He was laying down. What a snake. Oh, guy was right up on me. What a sneak. Guess I missed him, but what can I do? Gonna come through here. Oh, I don't know why I stopped. I tried to knife him, because I'm not that good at knifing. I gotta get sort of better at knifing. I'm not that great at it. Will be a guy. Oh, that guy saw me. And didn't know how I killed him. Alright guys, I'm gonna actually stop this video right here so just so I can get another one. Alright guys, hold on.